Hi, boys and girls. Today we're going to read How Do Dinosaurs Say Happy Hanukkah? And it's by Jane Yolin and Mark Teague. Does Dinosaur act up on Hanukkah nights when Mama comes in with holiday lights? Does he fidget and fuss through the candlelight prayer? Does he blow out the candles when no one is there? Does he peek at the presents stashed under Dad's bed? Does he write his own name on each gift card instead? And the very next day, does he grab up the gelt? Squeezing the candy corns till they all melt. Does he snatch away dreidels so no one else plays? Does he do this for each of the 8 festive days? No, a dinosaur doesn't. He sings every prayer. He takes turn with the dreidel, remembers to share. He eats up his latkes, helps clear away dishes, gives Bubby and Zeta big Hanukkah wishes. Each time he's in bed for 8 nights, hear him snore. Happy Hanukkah, you good dinosaur. The end. Hope everyone has a happy Hanukkah and a happy holiday.